All right, we're going to have a look at 6E, which is solution of trigonometric equations. Now, we know that you did this last year, so this should just be a little bit of revision at the start. There's no real notes on it, so what I'm going to do is just do one of the examples, and this is question 1B, excuse me. And it says cos x equals root 3 on 2, and x is an element of 0 to 4 pi. So we've got a domain restriction there. So first thing you have to say is when is cos equal to root 3 on 2? So because you all know your exact values, you'll say straight off that x must be pi on 6. Why is that? Because the cos of pi on 6 is root 3 on 2. But we've got more than one solution, haven't we? Let's look at the unit circle. The first solution is here at pi on 6. Then we say, where is cos positive the next time? Well, it's positive there, it's not there, but it is there. So as we go around here, before we get to 2 pi, we're just going to be pi on 6 short there. So there's also another solution at 11 pi on 6. This one's to 4 pi, so we can keep going. So there's going to be another one just after there as we go around the second time. That'll be at 13 pi on 6. And our last solution is going to be before we get to 4 pi, when we go around a whole time and nearly another time, which will be 23 pi on 6. Graphically, we draw a cos graph to 2 pi and then to 4 pi. And if we draw a line at root 3 on 2, it's approximately here. And we know that it meets 4 times pi on 6, 11 pi on 6, 13 pi on 6, and 23 pi on 6. Let's also have a look at 3D because it's quite similar. It's 2 sine x plus 1 equals 0. And this time our domain is 0 to 2 pi. So when we rearrange, we get sine x equals minus a half. Don't worry about the minus yet, we'll just worry about the half. The sine of what gives us a half? Well, I know my base angle is going to be pi on 6. So you go, the sine of pi on 6 is a half, but in this case it has to be negative. So I've got our unit circle. Where is sine negative? Here and here. So the first time we go around to pi, which is 6 pi on 6, and add another. So my first solution will be at 7 pi on 6, and my next one will be here just before 12 pi on 6. So it's at 11 pi on 6. And this time there's only 2 solutions. And if we did that as a sine graph, it's not a very good sine graph. Let's go to 2 pi. Where is it negative a half? Here at 7 pi on 6. And then here at 11 pi on 6. So it doesn't matter whether you do it graphically or using the unit circle. Obviously you're going to get the same answer, but when we do it by hand, this is the method we use.